Did you know that over 40% of industrial heating costs are wasted, not from the cold, but from selecting the wrong industrial heater? Today, we're excited to introduce an industrial heater boasting remarkable efficiency, designed to warm your space quickly, uniformly, and safely. The fact is, many industrial heaters available today can pollute the air, drive up fuel costs, and most critically, put personnel and equipment at risk. This is exactly why a modern industrial heater like the ECO250 makes such a substantial impact. Its sophisticated engineered furnace and heat exchanger technology not only achieves top-tier efficiency but also prevents carbon monoxide leaks and environmental contamination. Furthermore, it simplifies servicing and parts replacement, making them quicker and easier. Key features of the ECO250: thermal capacity of 290 kW with an exceptional 94% efficiency. Cuts fuel consumption by up to 40% compared to traditional industrial heaters. The ECO250 proudly includes INSO CE ISO certifications and patent registration. Also a comprehensive 24 months warranty and 10 years of after-sales support. If you're seeking a safe, fuel-efficient industrial heater that offers reliable, hassle-free operation for years to come, the ECO250 is your ideal solution. For complimentary consultation on acquiring the ECO250 industrial heater, reach out to our sales specialist today. We've got you covered.